Hello students, today we will learn multiplication of fractions in this video. So let us start. There are three steps for multiplication of the fractions. The first step is we have to multiply numerator with numerator. Second step is we have to multiply denominator with denominator. And the third step is we have to simplify if it is required. So let us take one example. Now let us take this example. We have to multiply 5 by 9 and 4 by 7. So the first step is we have to multiply this numerator and numerator. We will multiply this. And the second step is we have to multiply this denominator and denominator. So let us multiply. 5 4s are 20. Now we will put a divide sign and now we will multiply the denominator. 7 9s are 63. Now we are getting the fraction 20 by 63. Now we will see if this can be simplified. Now this cannot be simplified further. So 20 by 63 is the answer. Now let us take another example. We will multiply 12 by 13 into 5 by 2. So the first step is we have to multiply numerator and numerator. Second step is we have to multiply denominator and denominator. So let us do this. 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 is 60. Now we will put a divide sign. Now 13 into 2 is 26. Now we will see if this can be simplified further. So this can be simplified. We can cut it by 2. So 2 into 30 is 60. So 230. And in the denominator 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 30 divided by 13. This cannot be simplified further. So the answer is 30 by 13. This is the final answer. Let us take one more example. So we have to multiply 15 by 20 into 10 by 15. So the first step is we will multiply the numerator and numerator. Second step is we will multiply the denominator and denominator. So let us multiply. 15 into 10 is 150. Now we'll put a divide sign. 20 into 15 is 300. So now we will see if this can be simplified further. So we can see that we can simplify it. We can cut 0 and 0. Now 15 and 30. So we will see if we can simplify. It can be cut by 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 10s are 30. Now 5 and 10 can be cut further. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So the final answer is 1 by 2 and this cannot be simplified further. So the final answer is 1 by 2.